that was one of my biggest suppressions growing up. I was that really loud girl in elementary school who would always like dance and sing and was like really spazzy, and I was bullied for it. And I dimmed my voice. So being here and being seen and being able to dance and talk and sing the way that I've always wanted my inner child to is so beautiful.
This is my first event, substance-free. I have been using substances for connection my whole fucking life. And thank you so much for allowing me to navigate connection with all of you over consumption. And that is my new mantra.
There's such a safe container and space held to fully strip away all the bullshit.
First time being at any sort of retreat festival. It's the first time that I've been to the West Coast, but I felt really called to come here, and it's been amazing so far.
I feel free and grounded and expanded.
The event coordinator for Unleash. It's been an honor to serve the community in this way.
So I got some training in Thai Buddhism. It's a magical form of Thai Buddhism. It's called Mano Manu Sati. It means special superpower.
I see you behind that mask and disguise. I see your true nature, the being inside. I see the one peering out through your eyes, the one who is noble, truthful, and wise.
So this workshop I do is like a compilation of some of my favorite exercises that I've learned worldwide, you know.
Before you own your desires, you own your no. Know your no. If you don't own your no, you have a weak sauce yes.
My name's Jolene, and if you haven't already, please tune into what your gift is, what your flair is, that unique thing that only you can vibrate in this world, that nobody else can do like you. What is it? What is it?
You ready to unleash? Danny G, you ready?
to be here to find people that can feel me and see me and not judge me is the most freeing, real, unbelievable feeling that I've been peaking this whole time I haven't done drugs. And
my heart felt like it was going to fall out of my chest. I've never had that feeling before, where I felt like I had to hold my heart in.
There was so much hesitation for me to come here. Living in this body has not been easy. It's not been easy. Loving this body has not been easy.
Seeing the divine masculine for the first time.
Awakening from the deceptive hallucination. I'll chew up fears. I'll digest with tears and spit out crystals clear. I'll change weeds to flowers. I'll chant for hours and turn pains into powers. I'm an alchemist, a catalyst, an activist. I'm a passion provoker. I'll unleash your choker. I'm a shaman.